So now let us see the single expression function now. So here we have declared a function for adding a plus b in 3 lines here. So when you just want to simplify the function, you can just remove these two curly braces here and also the return keyword, and here just try to provide the equal to symbol here. So what we are doing here is like we are accepting two variables, and here we have provided a default variable for 10. You can just skip it for now. So here we are providing a return type int here, and here we are adding a plus b here. Let us try to provide the value of a to be 40 here, and now 40 plus 10 is 50. We will be observing the output now. So try to run the code and check whether the function is working or not. So yes, we have got the result 50 here, but here you can see it is a single line. We have declared our entire function here. So we are calling the function here by providing the parameters, and we are trying to display the result here. And also you can just directly add this into our print block, and it serves the purpose. So the same result we can get by running this line of code also. So this is how we can simplify our functions into a single line. So this is how a different ways of declaring functions in Kotlin. Hope you like this tutorial, and if you are a beginner, you can also follow our Kotlin series. I am providing the link in the description section below, and also if you have faced any queries in this particular tutorial, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.